girls.
We have a secret to share.
Are you ready?
Grab your snorkels. We're about to cross the Atlantic Ocean.
We are sailing for 14 days.
Would you like to see where we're going?
3,
2,
1.
Let's go!
Boys.
We are hiring a car from Enterprise to start our journey.
This will then take us to the port of Southampton,
We will spend one night in the Moon Hotel.
aka the Premier Inn.
And just to quickly mention, our cruise was booked with Igloo Cruise.
Before heading out for 2 days at sea. Our first port of call will be at the beautiful port of Vigo in Spain.
After a long day of sightseeing, we sailed down the coast to our next destination.
Waking up in the beautiful port of Lisbon in Portugal.
We then head back to the cruise ship for 2 more days at sea.
Day 7 then brings us to Ponta Delgada.
Which is one of the Azores Islands of Portugal.
We then get to spend 5 amazing days at sea travelling across the Atlantic Ocean.
Before we reach the beautiful pink sands at Lighthouse Point in the Bahamas.
We will then head back for our final night on the ship.
Ending our cruise at Fort Lauderdale in the US of A.
We will then move down the coast to spend our final day in Miami.
Miami. South Beach, bringing the heat.
We will then head to Miami International Airport,
Flying with Virgin Atlantic.
landing at London Heathrow.
At Heathrow Airport, we pick up another car to hire at Enterprise.
To start our journey home.
But wait, the best part of all,
Is every day will be a Disney day.
because...
We're going on the Disney Dream.
Woo!
Shall we take a look?
Here she is.
Now for the countdown to begin.
Welcome to Double Digit Day.
99 days to go.
Oh wait, there's someone on the phone.
Who could it be?
Hello?
Hello. This is the special call you requested. The entire Disney Cruise Line crew is thrilled that you have decided to sail with us. And there's someone else who'd like to say hello to you too.
Hiya, pal. It's me, Mickey Mouse, and I was just... Yoo! Mickey! Oh, hiya, Minnie. How you doing?
Oh, Mickey, have you heard? Have you heard?
Heard what?
Our friend is coming for a visit. Oh, isn't it exciting?
It sure is. In fact, I'm talking to him right now. now.
You are? Well, you have to tell them hello from me, okay?
You got it. All right, pal. Minnie wanted me to say hello, and
that we're really excited that you're coming to see us. Tell them that, too.
and that we're really excited you're coming to see us. And,
Oh, and that we can hardly wait until they get here.
we can hardly wait until you get here. And, wait, anything else, Minnie?
No, that's it.
Well then, pal, it sure was great talking.
Wait. No, I think that was it. Sorry.
Aw, that's all right, Minnie. Like I was saying, it sure was great talking to ya. And we'll see ya real soon. Aw.
Real soon.
Goodbye now.
Goodbye.
So long.
And remember, we love you.
I can't believe they just called us.
Nor me.
Roll on October 2024.
We hope you are as excited as we are.
Let's get planning.
To be continued. 3,
2,
1.
BAM!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.